Every middle class has the same goal. You don't want to be rich overnight. You just want peace with money. But here's the problem. Many people work almost 10 to 15 years. Their salaries increases, their experience increases, but did their bank balance increase? No. And the scary part is this, it's not your salaries problem, it's not inflation, it's not even government, it's something else that no one told you. Today I'm going to show you the money system that rich people understand very early, but the middle class learns too late. And once you see it, you'll never handle your salary the same way again. From childhood, we hear one line, study hard, get a good job, and life set. But did anyone told you job give income and system decide your life? You can earn $2,000 to $5,000, even $10,000 a month. But if you don't know this system, your money disappear, even your brain can process it. Have you guys ever noticed this salary come in and after 2 days all gone and you don't even remember where it gone? That's not spending, that's leaking. Keep watching, I'll show you where it leaks and how it leaks. Beginners can make one biggest mistake. They think finance means saving whatever is left, investing only in salary increase, budgeting when the crisis. It's totally wrong order. That's like trying to stop a water when the tank is already empty. The fix is very simple, but it's uncomfortable. I'll explain in 1 minute, but start with tracking your income and expenses. Income means what you earn from your job or side hustle. And the expenses mean what you spend like food, rent, or fun stuff, everything. The key is to track every penny for a 1 month. Use simple app or notebook. As per the Financial Consumer Protection Bureau, breaking down your daily spending habits can help you find the areas where you have to reduce expenses. But hold on, if you don't do this right, your money slips away like a sand, and that one mistake can delay your future goals by years. Are you guys curious to know what happened if you ignore tracking? It leads to debt traps we'll talk about soon. But first, let's get your foundation strong. Every person's money goes into 4 places. Doesn't matter country, salary and job. Bucket 1, survival, food, rent and bills. Bucket 2, lifestyle, eating out, shopping and upgrades. Bucket 3, future, investing and savings. Bucket 4, the hidden drain. That one kills the beginners. Subscriptions, impulse buying, convenience spending, late fees. This bucket grows silently. You don't feel the bucket 4 until the bucket 3 is empty. But wait, if you fill the bucket 3 first, everything will change. I'll show you how. But first, as per Elizabeth 50-30-20 rule, in Investopedia, the 50-30-20 rule dictates how to split your income into 3 main spending categories. 50% goes to needs, 30% goes to wants, and 20% goes to savings. Why most beginners always stay broke? Because they use one formula. Income minus expense is equal to savings, which means savings only happens if nothing goes wrong, and something always goes wrong. Car repair, medical bill, family issue, unexpected travel, which means saving is equal to 0 always. So the correct formula is this: income minus saving is equal to expenses. First saving, then life adjust. But wait, beginners are panic here. How can I save first? I already spent everything. Exactly, that's the trap. Start with one basic rule. The same day when the salary arrives, transfer 10% into your saving accounts. Don't think, don't debate, don't decide, just transfer it. Because willpower fails and the system wins. And no, this 10% is not for investing. I'll tell you why. As per the Bank Rate Emergency Saving Report 2026, yet just 47% Americans have sufficient liquidity or access to funds to cover $1,000 emergency expense. What are the biggest beginners investing mistakes? Social media tell beginners crypto, trading, stocks, fast money. But beginners don't want growth first. They want stability. If one emergency can destroy you, that means you are not ready for investing. This fund does only one job. It stops life from pushing you backward. Rich grow fast and middle class grow slow, and Broken people's restart. Once emergency fund is ready, now your money is working. Because now if market falls but life does not. Investing with safety is equal to strategy, but investing without safety is equal to gambling. That's the big differences. Start with low risk like index funds. As per Vanguard index funds, they increase 7 to 10% on average over the time. Finance for beginners, it's not about math, it's about behavior. You don't get rich by earning more. You have to stable by handling your money. Most people will hear this, feel motivated and do nothing. If you want a better results, after this video, open your bank app and set 10% auto transfer. Start your bucket 3 from today, and this one step puts you ahead of 80% people. If this video changed how you see your salary, subscribe and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.